How to add video background to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you two different ways in order to do so. The first one is going to be built in with most themes or modern themes. And the other one is going to be more if you don't actually find a proper one, then you can just go and use a code to use it. So to create a new section basically. So let's just go and start with the built-in way. So we're just going to go to online store and click on edit theme. Now this is going to be the one that I suggest that you start with because it's pretty much just built in. So I'm just going to replace this one and I'm just going to add a new section, and we're just going to go ahead and go for the hero section. Now this could work for you for the hero section, but if it does not, don't give up just yet. Go ahead and look up video and you may find this one instead, and it should also work, but this is just going to be a video. So I'm just going to go for the hero one because for me, for the Horizon theme, it does actually give you the option to make it a video banner. So we just want to minimize all of that. So in order to do so, we just want to click on hero and we're just going to select the type to become video instead. And you simply just want to click on select and upload your video from there. And you should be able to just, select it and it's just going to work. You're going to have a new video banner instead of an image, and you can just feel free to adjust a few things here like the text on top and so on from down here. So this is the default way, and again, if this doesn't work for you, then you can just go and look up the video section and use it. Again, it's going to be exactly the same way. Click on it and select the video first and foremost, and then you simply just want to adjust it. So click on here, upload the video or use an external URL, click on select, and you are pretty much good to go. So let's say you don't actually have these options for your theme. So in that case, what I want you to do is go down to the description. You should be able to find a code. Simply copy the code and follow along. So just go back to your Shopify admin, go to online store, click on the three dots right next to edit theme and click on edit code. Now, what you want to do from here is go to the left side. You should be able to find sections. Make sure you select it like so and click on add file. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it video-background. Just make sure it ends with .liquid, just like the other files around it. Hit enter and it should open up like so. And this is going to be your cue to basically copy the code in the description and paste it in here. So once you actually paste in the code, click on save from the top right corner and just go back to your Shopify admin. Now you simply just want to click on edit theme, locate where you want to add it. So in my case, I'm just going to add it here to the bottom of my home page. Click on add section. And now you should be able to find video background hero. This is going to be the one that we want to use. Click on it. And now you can simply just upload your video with URL. So in order to get the URL to your video, by the way, I forgot to mention, is if we just exit out of here real quick and go to Shopify dashboard, click on content, files. You simply just want to upload the video in here. So it's going to be a .mp4 video. Simply upload files from the top right corner and upload your video. Once that's done, you should be able to copy the link of the video like so. So click on copy link here on the right side of it. This is basically how to get the link. And just go back to your Shopify store and complete the setup. So again, just add the URL to it. In my case, I'm just going to use this dummy one. You have a few options here to adjust like the section height. You can feel free to increase it or decrease it as you like. Overlay darkness, you can again just play around with it as you like. And you also have the two different text options. You've got the heading and also the subheading. You can feel free to type in whatever you want and obviously also change the color of the text for both of them like so. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.